Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the multiple choice question chapter wise. So today we are going to start with the chapter 1 of class 10th arithmetic progression. This all the questions of arithmetic progression is from different question papers like these are the question from DDPI, different district preparatory question papers and all. Anyhow, this is the very important questions, frequently repeated questions, and even this type of question is repeated in the model papers also. Okay, let us begin. So the first question is the nth term of AP is an is equals to 4n plus 5. Then the third term is, here I have solved few question. Then the third term is, the question is an is equals to 4n plus 5. Anyhow, I have told in the previous video also, for the solution we should be very quick and we should find the short ways to find the answers, so that we should not waste our much time. So here the question is an is equals to 4n plus 5. Find the third term. N place we have to substitute third term 3. 4 into 3 plus 5 is equals to 4 3s are 12 plus 5, that is 17. So the correct option is D17. D17 is the correct option. Next question, 2x14 are in AP, then the value of x is. See, I have told this type of question was in model paper also. X value, find the value of x means average. X is the average of these two numbers. So what we have to do, x is equals to 14 plus 2. 2 plus 14. These two we have to add and divide by 2. 14 plus 2 is equals to 16 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So correct option is D 8. Okay. Next question. If the nth term of AP an is equals to 3n minus 2, then its ninth term is, okay, an is equals to 3n minus 2. An is equals to 3 into n is 9. In n place, ninth term they have told to find. Now which term they told to find? In n place we have to substitute that number minus 2. 9 3s are 27 minus 2, that is 25. So the correct option is D25. This all the collection of all AP problems from set of preparatory papers and all. Okay. Now let us see the next question. The sum of first 20 natural number is, we know that the natural number formula, sum of first 20 natural number, Sn is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is also one formula to find the sum of natural number. So they have told 20 natural number, 20 into 20 plus 1 upon 2, that is 20 into 20 plus 1 is 22 upon 2. So what we have to do is 20 into 21 into 2, we have to multiply 21 into, or else we can directly cancel here. 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. 21 into 10 is 210. So the correct answer is 210, that is B. Option B is a correct answer. When they ask the question, find the sum of first 20 natural number or first 30 natural number. In this situation, you have to take this formula, Sn is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, the next question. In an AP, if an is equals to 2n plus 1, then the common difference is, okay, an is equals to 2n plus 1. Fifth one, an is equals to 2n plus 1. Then the common difference is, they are asking, we know first term we'll find a1 is equals to 2 into n plus 1 plus 1, that is 2 1s are 2 plus 1, that is 3. a1 we got 3. Now let us see a2. a2 is equals to 2 into 2, n plus 2 plus 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, that is 5. a2 we got 5. We know D is equals to second term minus first term. D is equals to 5 minus 3. D is equals to 5 minus 3 is 2. So the correct option is 2. C, 2 is a correct option. Let us see the next question. If the nth term of an AP is, this type of question is most repeated one. If the nth term of an AP, an is equals to 24 minus 3n, then the second term is an is equals to 24 minus 3n. 24 minus 3n, then second term is, okay, second term is 24 minus 3 into 2. 24 minus 3 to the 6. 24 minus 6 is nothing but 18. A2 is, second term is 18. Let us check 18 we have, yes, option A is 18. So, next question. Sum of all the first n term of an even natural number. Sum of all first n term of even natural number. So we know that even natural number are 2, 4, 6, 8, dot dot dot. Sum of all even natural number. A is 2, D is equals to 4 minus 2. Again we don't have anything in the question. So we know that sum Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d formula. So Sn by 2, 2 into a is 2 plus n we don't know, n minus 1, d also is 2. So n by 2, 2 to the 4 plus 2 into n is 2n minus 2. N by 2, 2n, 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, we'll take 2 common here. N by 2 into 2 common. What is left? N plus 1 is left. 2 get cancelled and we get the answer n into n plus 1. Sum of all natural even number. N into n plus 1 is a correct answer. N into n plus 1 is a correct answer. Why? Because we got it. Now we can see here all even natural number they have told. 2, 4, 6, 8 are the natural numbers. Even natural numbers. So A2, 4 minus 2, then we have substituted in the formula. 4, 2 into n, 2n minus 2 and the 2. How much? N we don't know. How many numbers are there? We don't know. But sum of all natural number is n into n plus 1. Okay, let us see the question number 8 now. In a sequence, if an is equals to 4n square minus 1 and an is equals to 35, then the value of n is an is equals to 4n square minus 1 and an is equals to 35. Okay, find the value of n they have told. Now an place we can write 35 because it is given. 35 is equals to 4n square minus 1. 35 minus 1 if I bring here plus 1 is equals to 4n square. 4n square is equals to 36. N square is equals to 36 by 4. N square is equals to 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. N is equals to root 9 is nothing but 3. N is equals to 3. Option D is a correct option. Okay. N is equals to 3. Let us see the next question. If the nth term of AP is n upon n plus 1, then the second term is, okay, ninth one. If the nth term of AP is n upon n plus 1, then its second term is A2 is equals to 2 upon 2 plus 1, that is 2 by 3. So the correct option is 2 by 3, that is B. 2 by 3 is a correct option. Let us see the next question. That is question number 10. If A, B and C are in AP, then B minus A upon C minus A is equal to. This is the repeated question. Okay, if A, B and C are in AP, then what they have told us to find B minus A upon C minus B is, let A, B and C be 1, 2, 3, Therefore, what they have asked, b minus a upon c minus b is equal to, here a1, b2, 2 minus a value is 1 upon c value is 3 minus b value is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1 upon 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 upon 1 is correct. Answer is 1. So option C is the correct option, that is 1. Okay, let us see the next question. In an AP, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, what is A called? What is A called? A is called nothing but first term. We know that it is first term. A is called first term. The next term of the AP, 3, 1, minus 2, minus 3 is next term we have to find. Let me write the question number 12. Next term, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. Okay, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. And the next term will be fifth term. A is 3. D is 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. Second term minus first term. D is 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Now next term is fifth term, A plus 4D. A is nothing but 3 plus 4 into D is minus 2. 3 plus minus minus, 4 to the 8. 8 minus 3 minus 8 is minus 5. So the next term is minus 5. So C minus 5 is the correct answer. Let us see the next question. So here the common difference of AP minus 4 minus 2 0 2 is. The common difference of AP. Let us see now what is the common difference of AP. 13th one question. The common difference of AP minus 4 minus 2 0 2 dot dot dot. So here we have to find the common difference is A is minus 4. So we don't want A and all. D direct common difference is second term minus first term. D is equals to minus 2 plus 4. D is equals to plus 2. Common difference is 2. So plus 2 is a correct answer. Okay, so let us see the next question. If A, B and C are in AP, A, B, C are in AP, then which is the correct one here? Out of this, which is correct? So I'll write if A, B, C are in AP. So let us see the common difference. D is equals to B minus A, which is also equal to C minus B. Okay. Second term minus first term. Third term minus second term. This is only a common difference, right? Now let us see what we can do here. B as it is. Minus B if I bring here plus B. C as it is. Minus A if we bring here plus A. B plus B, 2B is equals to A plus C or C plus A. So we get this answer. Let us check in the question. 2B is equals to A plus C. First one only is a correct option. A is correct because 2B is equals to A plus C we got after solving. This all we didn't get. Okay, so the correct answer is this. Now the next question. If the common difference of an APD, then A3 minus A1 is. Okay, what is the A3 minus A1 out of this answer? Let us see. A3 minus A1. If the common difference is, which one problem it is? Question number 17. If the common difference D is A3 minus A1 is. Out of A3 minus A1, what we get? They are asking A3 is A plus 2D. We know that. Minus A1 is A. A get cancelled. So the correct answer is 2D. So here 2D we have, yes. Option B is correct option. 2D is the correct answer. Now let us see what is the common difference of an AP in which A24 minus A17 is equals to minus 28. What is the D value out of this? Here the question is what they have told. A24 minus A17 is minus 28. So what is the common difference? What is the value of D? Okay, A24 is nothing but A plus 23D. One less we have to do, minus A17 is A plus 16D is equals to minus 28. Let us check. Okay, A plus 23D minus A minus 16D is equals to minus 28. Okay, minus minus we open the bracket here. A get cancelled. 23 minus 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 7 we got here. 23 minus 16 is 7. D is equals to minus 28. D is equals to minus 28 by 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28. So D is equals to minus 4 we got. Let us check. D is equals to minus 4. C, option C is a correct answer. Okay, the 30th term of 1074 is, okay, 1074. 30th term of 1074 is, means A30 we have to find. A is equals to 10. D is equals to second term 7 minus 10. D is equals to minus 3. So A30 is equals to A plus 29D. A value is 10 plus 29 into D value is minus 3. Okay, 10 minus plus minus is minus. 3 9s are 27. 2 here. 3 2s are 6 7 8. 87 minus 10 is minus 77. So correct option is minus 77. That is option D is the correct answer. Okay. Now let us see this question. Question number 20. The 37th term of AP, root x, 3 root x, 5 root x is. Okay. What is the question? Number 20 is the 37th term of an AP. AP is root x, 3 root x, root x, 3 root x, 5 root x. 37th term we have to find. Okay, I have written the question. A is equals to root x. D is equals to 3 root x minus root x. Okay, nothing means 1. D is equals to 3 minus 1 is 2 root x. Okay, 37. A 37 is equals to A plus 36D. A value is root x plus 36 into D value is 2 root x. Okay, root x plus 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 72 root x. 72 plus 1 is nothing but 73 root x is the correct answer. 37th term is 73 root x. C is the correct option. Now let us see the next question. Question number 21. If the first term of AP is P, if the first term of AP is P and the common difference is Q, then its 10th term is, we know that A10 is equals to A plus 9D. A value is P plus 9 into D value is Q. So P plus 9Q is correct option. P plus 9Q. Now let us see the next question. The 21st term of AP whose first term and common difference are minus 3 and 4 respectively is. 21st term is. So first term, what they have told in the question number 22. First term is minus 3 and common difference is 4 respectively. So 21st term is, 21st term A21 is equals to A plus 20D. A is minus 3 plus 20 into D is 4. Minus 3 plus 4 to is 8, 80. 80 minus 3 is 77. So correct option is 77. Yes, A 77 is the correct answer. which of the following or which term of AP 27, 24, 21 is 0. Okay, which term of AP is 0? What AP they have given? 27, 24, 21 is 0. Okay, 23rd question it is. A is equals to 27, first term. D is equals to 24 minus 27. D is equals to 24, 25, 26, 27. 3 we got D. Okay. Now, which term of an AP is 0? An is equals to A plus n minus 1 D, because we don't know n only here. But the last term is 0. An is equals to 0. A is 27 plus n don't know minus 1 D value is 3. So 27 plus 3 into n is 3n minus 3 is equals to 0. 27 minus 3 is 27 minus 3. 24 plus 3n is equals to 0. 24 is equals to minus 3n. n is equals to 24 upon 3 minus 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24. n is equals to minus 8. How we got minus 8? Something I have done mistake, I guess. Let me check. 24 minus 27. Yes, 24 minus 27 is minus 3. Okay, minus 3 here, minus 3. Minus 3n minus plus 3n. 27 plus 3. Okay, let me check one more time because I have done a small mistake here, negative sign mistake. So 27 plus 3 is 28, 29, 30. 30 minus 3 is equals to 0. 30 is equals to 3n. n is equals to 30 by 3. 3 ones are 3 tens are. So 10th term is 0. B 10 is a correct answer. So 10th term is 0. What is the sum of first n natural number? See, by using this formula we have done this. Write the sum of first 20 natural number. So here direct question, what is the sum of first n natural number? So we know that n into n plus 1 by 2 is the sum of first n natural number. Okay, now in an AP, if A is equals to 28, D is equals to minus 4 and n is equals to 7, then an is, okay, here question number 25, which is the last question of this video. A is equals to 28 and D is equals to minus 4 and n is equals to 7. Then an is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. An we have to find A 28 plus n 7 minus 1 D minus 4. Okay, 28 as it is plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into minus 24. Okay, 28 plus minus 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24 is equals to 28 minus 24. 25, 26, 27, 28. 4. Answer is a 4. Let us check 4 is the answer. Yes, A4 is a correct answer. So this complete the 25 questions of AP from the previous, not previous, like recent we received the model paper as well as preparatory papers, set of preparatory papers from different districts, from different DDPI office. So these are the collections of the problems from AP. So in my next video I am going to take the second chapter, that is triangle chapter. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.